how to fix lag on Roblox. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to increase the FPS on your Roblox. So all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to your Roblox. As you can see, I'm inside a server right now. Now all what you have to do is go to the top right here and click on this little Roblox logo, and after you click on it, it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is just go to the settings right here and click on it, and now scroll down like this until you find this graphic mode option, and make sure to make it manual like this. Choose manual and then go down to graphics quality and then click on this little logo right here. And now all what we have to do is just click on the X button right here in the top to go back, and congratulations, now the problem is solved and there is no lag. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.